toxic people. The noise of vehicles is equal. There is nothing heard nor seen that is not another. In 6 months, I had not met a single compound. Very eager to hear our speech. I turned and talked to myself. I would not have heard the compound. My impatience was immeasurable. Evening, I wanted to divert my mind. The movie film making show had Siti Chara was good. The actor was Rocky Navarro. I entered the movie house. I was alone. So I took a seat. Four young girls came in. Four girls came in. I was sandwiched na 2 pairs. I was supposed to be heaven. Shortly after I spoke, I was surprised when I heard her speak a Pampangan. Who would be this fellow between us, Parin? Said the girl to my left. She was referring to me. I wanted to join the conversation, but Parin surprisingly answered.
Tabalo. Tapangilang muna.
They all took me for Bicol. It is embarrassed if they learned that I was a Pampangan like them. I was the butt of their jokes. They called me by various funny names. I allowed them to continue their fun. I kept silent. They burst into laughter. I could not pay attention to the movie anymore. I wanted to break into comments and some of their comments, but I controlled myself. One said, his head is like that of the locust, said the other girl.
Kamatayan po.
How about his eyes? Asked Parin.
Pagsisarate.
No, you don't know. His eyes are those of an owl. Mary said. They pretended not to look at me. They totally believed that I could not understand the humorous repartee. The movie we were watching was about to end. Ramon was seated on a bench under a shade. He was approached by the woman he loved, and they embraced him. They kissed him. And he was overjoyed and he jumped about. When I saw that scene in Kapampangan, I said aloud,
Ako na sa Ramon.
because all of the ladies, they were all surprised. I was sure they were all quietly thought that I was a Pampangan like them. They could not look at me. They wanted to say something but could not speak. They did not know what to do. I suspected they all wished to disappear like bubbles.
Ako na sa Ramon.
Repeated by Ramon. I repeated by the man. The ladies could not answer. They were jiggery. What I said was just a joke, said Parin. I told them so they would less their embarrassment. Can you forgive us? Said Mary. No, I shall not because you have not sinned against me, said the man. And I recanted to them my poor long because of the failure to hear the Pampangan for the last 6 months. So when I heard you speak, I became happy. I enjoyed your humor and disregard as my indebted to you. We became acquainted. After the show, I even brought them home. On the way, we joke one another like old acquaintances. Our laughter broke out.
Sandro Grau. Wala na bakla eh.